Hello everyone, welcome to DBC. In this video we will be learning about arrays. So an array is defined as a collection of similar type of data items stored in a contiguous memory location. So a array is basically a collection of data who have the same data type, and it will be stored in a continuous memory location. So basically we have learnt about the integers and data types, and integer we can store only a single data inside an integer value. Here you can store a multiple values inside a variable who has the same data types, and it will be stored in the continuous memory location. So this is a basic idea of array. We have the variable a as an array, and this array has size is 5. So the array always starts with 0. So a of 0 is this block, a of 1 is this block, a of 2 is this block, a of 3 is this block, and a of 4 is this block. You can enter a value of same data type inside this, and it will be stored in a continuous memory location. So you can take it as a memory location where this is in 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 and 2005. This will be in continuous memory location. So that is the simple thing about array. So I will just explain about how we can declare an array and how we can insert values into arrays in Turbo C. Okay, so in array you have three types of declaration. One, you can just declare an array and define it one by one in the next line, and the other is you can declare and define the values in the same, and another is you have to declare it and you can take the values from the user. So I will just tell all three and we will go through it. So I will just add all the libraries and I'll add void main, and then I'll just declare int a of 10. Okay, so this is how you can declare an array. So the data type and the variable, and in the square bracket you have to enter the size of the array. So this is the size of the 10 of the variable a. So you can have 10 values inside a variable a, which will be of integer data type. So we will just assign the value. So here is how you can assign the value: a of 0 equal to 1 and a of 1 equal to 2. You can go till 10. For now we are just printing 2. You can have any number of size, but the only value which you can give, it's depending on you. You can give lesser than the size of the array, but you can't exceed the size of array. So instead, if I give a of 11, so you will get an error. So this is the declaration, one type of declaration, and you have assigned the values here, and we will just print it. We will just print a of 0, and then we will print a of 1. Okay, so this is it. We are just printing the value 1 and 2. We have created an array, we have assigned the value in 1 and 2, and we are just printing this value here. So we will save this file to C. We will save it as array.c, and we will compile it and we will run it. Okay, there you go, you got a 1 and 2. That is because you have not given the next line. Okay, so when we run this, we will just give a clear screen over here. Okay, when we run it, we will get the value 1 and 2. Okay, this is one type of a declaration. Another type is you can assign the values in the declaration itself. That is through, you can give equal to, in the flower bracket you can give 1, 2, and close the bracket. So this is the another way to assign the value into the array. We will just run this again and see. See, again we are getting the same answer, that is because we are assigning it here. So the best and very good way to declare and use the array is using the for loop and using the values from the user. So I have declared an array here to and I will take the values data from the user. So for that I will just give a print screen. I will just enter the value, and I will just give a for loop, and I will create an integer I here for the for our for loop, and inside a for loop I will give I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, so here I have assigned value I as 0 and I am giving the condition I less than 5. So what this does is the for loop will run for 5 times. So we will add 5 values into the array and we will just display the same 5 values. So for that, to add the get the value from the user, you will use the scanner. Inside this %d comma ampersand a of I. So the a of I, the I value will be 0. So in each increment here it increments and the I value keeps on increasing, so that we will get it in the array as equally as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is how we are getting the value from the user, and we will just print the value what user have given. That is like we will again give a printf. Inside this we will tell the value you entered, and again to print we will just follow the same for loop. We will just assign I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and inside this we will just give a printf percentage d backslash n. I will give a of I again the same way, and we'll do semicolon and close the bracket. So in this code we will just ask the user to enter the value, we will scan all the value and store it in the array, and again we will print the same values which is in the array. So we will just compile it, there is no error, and we will run it. So the user is the compiler is asking us to enter the value. So I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value entered is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 1 is here after the entered thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this are the 3 ways you can enter use the arrays. So in further videos we will be doing more problems using array and all those things. After the completion of this course we will just do the problems and we will solve the pattern things in the channel. Thank you.